Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today I show you how to change language on iPhone. But before you continue this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to support the channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Anyways, you can change the language setting on your phone if it is incorrect or if you have accidentally changed the language to one you don't understand. So the first step, you have to go to the setting and scroll down, and you'll find here general. Click that. When you're getting here, just scroll down and tag this one column language and region. I'm gonna click here now, and then you can see my phone is now in English. But if you like the another language, you wanna easily click on the blue button your code add language. But if it's not yet, tap iPhone language and pick your language from the list, and here I'm gonna use Indonesian. Now an alert will ask you to confirm the new language, and tap the first option. Then after your device updates the language, your device should automatically display the language you selected. Just it guys, the simple tutorial from me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon and good luck.